Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete review about this awesome product called Swipitz, which is the world's first system to leverage sweeping technology, and it pays us whenever someone swipes or taps their phone and guarantees you to earn $150 per hour. Also, it requires no selling, no expenses and no waiting period. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 free bonuses worth rupees $999 from my side. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
Hello guys, welcome to this awesome video, and in this video I'm going to reveal to you a very powerful and exciting software, a never seen before software actually. It's a breakthrough 3-click swiping technology apps that allows you to get paid anytime people swipes or tap. You profit. Now trust me, this is amazing and this is something unique and new. Now this is a software that actually allows you to tap into 4 billion mobile users addictions of swiping, and the more they swipe, the more you make more money. So how awesome is this? So in this video I'm going to show you how to make use of this powerful software called Swipitz to start getting paid anytime people swipe or taps either on their tab, on their phone or on their system. So I'm going to log in now to show you how this works. Okay, so here is Swipitz dashboard. As you can see, we have the swipe funnel. This shows the total number of funnels you've created. We have the swipe pages, we have the statistics and the visitors you're getting. Also, we have the funnels here. We have the done for you swipe funnels. We have where you can get offers, as you can see. We have a training videos, and then we have the support in case you're having any issue with the software. You can get support there. So now the very first thing you need to do once you're inside Swipitz is to go to choose offers. Now we have like 3 major platforms inside Swipitz where you can get highly converting offers. The first one is CPA offers. This is a no selling system whereby you don't even have to sell anything. You get paid anytime the swipers, the users take action inside your swipe funnel. So you can click on CPA offers if you want to get offers. Okay, so as you can see, so in order to get any CPA offer, CPA means cost per action, which means you get paid anytime someone take action and you don't even have to sell anything. This does not involve selling. It could be for them to get a free trials or to sign up or to enter their email or to enter their zip code, and you get paid as high as $100 per action. So now what you need to do is just to search for a particular keyword for the offer you want to promote. Here, let's say I want to promote weight loss, so I can just type in weight loss here. You see that, and click on the search bar. Can you see? It brings out results immediately. You can see tons and tons of CPA offers. You can see weight loss and they pay you $28 per action. You see the network here, you see if they accept mobile offers or not. So you can see $18, $14, this $140, $130 per action that the user takes. So these are high paying offers, as you can see. So you can pick any one of them, register with them, and then get your link. So the other ones we have is we have Warrior Plus. So if you click on Warrior Plus now, you have access to the top converting offers on Warrior Plus. So as you can see on Warrior Plus, you have access to the top converting offers. These are the top sellers. As you can see yesterday, you can see last 7 days, and you can see last 30 days, the best selling offers there. So this is to show to you that you can get high converting offers that are proven to make you money, so you don't even have to do any guesswork at all. So once you're done with that, you can as well check offers on JVZoo. As you can see on JVZoo, you can see the top sellers as well. So these are the best selling products as of today. You can see for yesterday, past 7 days and past 30 days as well. So remember, the first step is just to get a product to run with. So you can either pick a product on JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or CPA offers if you don't even want to sell anything online. So once you're done with that, the next thing is to go to My Funnels to create your first swipe funnel. So once you're here, you click on create swipe funnel. Once you click on create swipe funnel, like I said, you have access to the swipe funnel page. Okay, so now Swipitz actually allow you to create highly engaging and addictive swipe cards with images, GIFs, and video, and then you can redirect them to your affiliate offers or CPA. So, and that's exactly what we'll be doing here. So in this case, let's say I want to create a swipe funnel for a make money product, and the product is called Click It. Okay, so it's time to create a swipe funnel, and as you can see, we have different tabs here. We have the welcome page, we have the swipe funnel, we have the offer pages, and we have the design. So we are going to start with the welcome page. So you need to input the headline depending on what you actually want to promote. So let's say I want to promote one of our existing product called Click It, a make money product. So I can type something like want easy money in 2022. So once I do that, then you have option of either inserting a GIF or inserting a normal JPEG or PNG image, or you can upload from your computer. So here I'm going to click on search GIFs because GIFs are more catchy. So here I'm going to type in money. Can you see that? And then I'll hit the search button. So you can see there are different GIFs images that you can just pick one and use. So you see this, so you can decide to pick anyone. So I can decide to go with this and click on the close button. So you see, this is how your swipe funnel is actually going to appear. So the next thing is to customize your button text. So I can say something like swipe to start, and you can see it has automatically. Then I can select my button icon, which is the icon in front of the button. So yeah, I can just type arrow. You see that? So I'm select this. Can you see that the arrow has changed to the current one I just selected? So once we're done with the welcome page, the next thing is to move to the swipe funnel, where we actually create our swipe cards. So the swipe title is the name of your campaign, so I can name this Click It, since that's the name of the product I want to promote. So I can select the start date and the end date for my countdown timer. So yeah, I can just, if I want it to run for, let's say 48 hours or 24 hours, and I can set that here, and then the end date I can put it there as well. So now the swipe URL, this is actually where you're going to put your affiliate URL or the link you want to promote using your swipe card. Now you can also use Swipitz to promote your own personal brand, your personal product as well. So yeah, I'm going to put in the link there. And once I'm done, the next thing is to start creating our swipe pages, which makes up the funnel. So I'm going to click on new swipe page, and then the first thing is to input the question. Here, can you see, or you enter your text here, and then you add the image. So I'm going to do just that. So have you been trying to make money online for the past 6 months? So because these swipe cards, they need to either swipe to the left or swipe to the right to say yes or no. So I need to ask them question that requires a yes or no answer as well. So as you can see, have you been trying to make money for the past 6 months? So I'm going to just insert a gift to correlate that. So yeah, I can just say tired computer man, because I'm talking about online, so I have to search for related gifts that relate to what I'm trying to do as well. So I think this is funny enough, so I can use this and then close. You can see system. So then you can create another swipe page as well. You click on new swipe page, and then you enter your description here again, as you can see. Okay, so I'm going to enter my text for the next swipe card, as you can see, and then select a GIF image. So yeah, I'm just going to say confused man, because that relates to trying to do a lot of things and yet you're not getting results. So you can select this, then close. Can you see that? Are you tired of trying different things without results? It's all great to me, like I don't understand what is going on. So then I can click on new swipe page as well, and then so I'm going to enter my text here. As you can see here, I'm asking, do you want to start something that really works? So here I'm going to insert a GIFs. Like I said, you can use image as well. Can you see that? So but I'm just going to search for GIFs and then enter yes, because I need a GIF that relates to the answer yes. Can you see that? So I can select this, so I'm going to close it. So can you see that? Do you want to start something that really works? Yes. Then you can create my last swipe page. For this, you can create as many number of swipe pages as possible. So it depends on the number of questions how you want to pre-frame them before getting them to the offer page. So here I'm going to ask the last question here. Okay, so how about getting paid every time someone click? For you to say yes to that and you say yes to this again, it means you're really ready to take action, and all they need to do is just to keep swiping left or right to make this decision. So then I'm going to search for give, and yeah, I want something like I'm in. Then search, you see that? So they're different groups. Count me in, dude. I'm in. Count me in. So I can decide to use any of this. You can see this one, sign me up. I can decide to use this and then click on close. Can you see how about getting paid every time someone clicks sign me up? So this makes it so interactive and at the same time addictive. So once we're done creating the swipe pages in our funnel, the next thing is to go to the offer page. This is the offer page where they actually get to take action. So here you can put your head in here. So I can say something like discover how to get paid $10 every time someone click their mouse, and then you can either upload an image. Can you see? You can search image, you can search GIFs, and then you can actually add your video link from YouTube as well, so whichever one you want to use. So you can just put it here. So here I'm just going to insert GIFs as well. So I'm just going to search for the keyword make money, as you can see. So then it brings out tons of GIFs and I can use any one I prefer. So I can decide to use this or this. So I'll go with this. So let me be sure the image is there. Okay, it's there, as you can see. So the next thing is to add a button text, which is a call to action. So yeah, I'm just going to get instant access now, and then select the button, just type arrow. Okay, so I'm going to use this arrow. So once I'm done with the offer page, the next thing is to go to the design. So on the design page, I can make my swipe page looks more beautiful. As you can see, you can add shadow, button border, the size, the style, the color, then button background as well. You can change colors, you can play around with that, then button text colors as well. So here I'm just going to change the background type. So you can decide to use a solid color or you can decide to use an image. So here I'm just going to use a solid color, and then I'm going to select the color I want to use. So here I'm just going to go to this place. As you can see, this is black. So if I want to use black or something different, I can use. So I can decide to go with this color. So once I'm done, then I hit the save swipe funnel, and in one click, as you can see, our swipe funnel is created. So you can see the swipe name, you can see the date it was created and time. So then you can see where you can manage the funnel. You can view the funnel, you can clone the funnel, you can get traffic, you can embed funnel to your social media pages like Facebook and get traffic as well. You can send funnel, you can edit funnel, and then you can delete funnel. So here I'm going to view our funnel to actually show you how it looks like and how Swipitz works. Okay, so here is our Swipitz funnel. As you can see, if you're on your mobile device, you can swipe to the left to say no, or you can swipe to the right to say yes. So I'm just going to do that here. As you can see, it keeps swiping. Have you been trying to make money online for 6 months or more? So you can say yes, and you can say no. If I click on yes, it takes to the next page. Can you see, are you tired of trying different things without results? So you can say yes or you can say no. So then you say, do you want to start something that really works? So you can either say yes or you can say no. So if you click on yes, it takes you to the next page. So how about getting paid every time someone click? That's awesome. Sign me up. As you can see, so you click on yes, it takes you to our offer page. And now you can see, discover how to get paid $10 for every single click, multiple times daily. And then once you click on get instant access, now it takes you to the affiliate link that you're promoting, and that's actually how Swipitz works. As you can see, it's a very powerful software that taps into mobile users' addictions. We're already used to this kind of system on Instagram and TikTok and so many other social media platforms as well. So here I'm going to go back to our dashboard, as you can see, we also have done for you swipe funnels. Depending on the upgrade that you purchase, you have access to done for you funnels, and you don't even have to create the funnel from scratch like I did earlier on. All you need to do is just to clone a funnel. As you can see, if you click on clone funnel, and in one click the funnel is added to your account automatically. Can you see? And you can view the funnel, or you can edit the funnel first by adding your own affiliate links. Can you see that? So you don't even have to create all this. We have done for you funnels for you, so you can just go to where we have swipe funnel and insert your affiliate link here and save it, and you're good to go. So we have our trainings and support here. Thank you for watching. Bye.